Tesla's full self-driving FSD is an advanced driver assistance system, but knowing how to disengage it safely is crucial. This video will guide you through the proper methods for switching from FSD to cruise control or autopilot, ensuring a smooth and secure transition, especially given recent safety concerns and regulatory updates. Tesla's driving assistance systems offer different levels of automation to help with driving tasks. Full self-driving, or FSD, is designed for Level 4 autonomy, aiming for complete self-driving capabilities without human input in controlled environments. Autopilot is a Level 2 system that provides both steering and speed assistance, helping maintain lane position and following distance. Cruise control offers basic adaptive speed control, maintaining a set speed while adapting to traffic conditions ahead. Each system provides different levels of automation, and drivers must understand these distinctions for safe and effective use. The most direct way to disengage FSD is by gently pressing the brake pedal. This action immediately overrides all systems, giving you full manual control. It's the quickest and most reliable method, particularly in emergency situations. Make sure to be prepared to steer and control the vehicle after disengaging. Alternatively, you can disengage FSD by quickly pulling the cruise control stalk towards you twice. This will switch you back to either cruise control or autopilot, depending on your previous settings. This method allows for a more gradual transition, but still requires your full attention. Another way to switch from full self-driving to cruise control or autopilot is through the touchscreen interface. Simply navigate to the controls menu on the touchscreen and select your desired driving mode. While this touchscreen method is convenient and user-friendly, it's less immediate than using the brake pedal or cruise control stalk. Use it when you have ample time to react and the driving situation allows. Tesla's software now incorporates audible alerts and visual prompts, such as keep hands on wheel during transitions to prevent misuse. Always monitor the environment, as FSD is not infallible. Be prepared to take over at any moment, especially in unexpected road conditions or system errors. Note that Tesla is now enforcing stricter engagement protocols after safety concerns and fines. Mandatory hand-on-wheel detection every 30 seconds during FSD. One of the most common mistakes with Tesla's full self-driving system is assuming it can handle every driving situation perfectly. While FSD is advanced, it's not infallible. Edge cases like road construction, inclement weather, or unexpected obstacles still require human judgment and control. To avoid this mistake, always stay vigilant and be ready to take control at any moment. Another frequent mistake is panicking when FSD disengages and requires manual control. This can happen suddenly and cause unnecessary anxiety if you're not prepared. The key to avoiding this is practice. Regularly switch between FSD, autopilot, and cruise control modes to build confidence in smooth transitions. Remember this important statistic. Over 90% of FSD-related incidents stem from driver inattentiveness and over-reliance on the system. This highlights why staying engaged and aware is crucial for safe FSD use. Mastering the disengagement methods for Tesla's FSD is essential for safe driving. Regularly practice these techniques to build confidence in handling transitions. Stay informed about the latest software updates and safety guidelines through Tesla's resources. While FSD enhances driving efficiency by handling routine tasks, it's crucial to remain an engaged and responsible driver at all times.